I said, no, come on, you did I don't want a mono mutu. Sure.
Look at footballers with you now.
Sure. Just a non community and benefit to one of
our supporters. Nick, I said, we are sure. Send a high.
Yeah, come on.
Can't remember for. They are catching them. Which went to a
wonderful.
I love story now.
Somebody back, okay. Chief,
oh, sir, what's going to ask this season? You really come on. Kotokofa, director of football, has a first sporting director. Kotokofa head coach, has a head coach.
Has a special for head coach.
I feel like you come on, Swanson. Kotokofa has a beginning. They might go to a month. I
can see from the song with slot in the coffee. Okay. Okay. Then to us over high.
Mercy FM 104.1. Exclusive.
From how to full striker.
Yeah, for by of us of full. Nah, sir, last season, you know, Kabana so good division to Ghana. Good division to Ghana. Okay. But this is a port city, and you didn't come.
Okay.
But this is a port city, and you didn't come.
Okay.
Now, Komono is around there 80%. According
there's more finance.
Yes, to be at Tuma. Victor Kwedu, formerly of Hasselhoff.
Yeah.
About joining a port city.
Massive.
Now, port city, one of my story. President Simon Kai says, strike me from Hasselhoff. Sorry, Officer Elion.
Yes.
Of a son of who did Hasselhoff.
Yeah.
And nearly Nanka Bahasi,
sure.
Musa Kamara Tumbu.
Hey, Tombo, my good friend.
Musa Kamara Tumbu.
Yeah, my good friend Tombo.
Tumbu.
Yeah.
Musa Kamara Tumbu. Tumbu. What's the going to now?
I said,
Mercy FM.
Musa Kamara Tumbu.
Kamara Tumbu.
Yeah, Jeff Piano.
Yeah, on the house. Now we say, Tumbu.
Okay. The answer is in the port city.
And I found
Omi Abanti Tumbu Edinkomo.
Hey, now I'm going to group.
Okay.
And I pot for that fan.
Omedine hum koma ebibia.
Wow.
We say we good player.
Okay.
Eti pere mate no nkomodie afi na asase.
Okay.
Pere checks na code ko so.
Yeah.
Between Abantie Tumbu the manager any positive telephone bi.
Sure.
Call the course. Eti no e de course nti nkomo na afi na asase.
Okay.
Yes, Musa Kamara Tumbu. Tinkomodie no eguso a ekoso ho no.
Exclusive. A world exclusive. A world exclusive. Mercy FM 104.1. Exclusive.
Okay, President Sami, we are close.
Yeah.
Mami Hasselhoff.
Okay.
Kakra.
Okay.
Every year the story in the bus, the coaches are Hasselhoff from Mubin Common. The boys are couple, in common there day, a coin kind pa.
Yeah.
Now, man, we didn't come there and intercept
The bulls are couple.
Martin in Kobo.
So, already Champions League, Nana. We are Champions League and live.
See, but you're ready for Hasselhoff coaching job.
Okay.
Now, the Martins was still Oba. Oba.
Yeah. Sure. What's so bad?
Okay, the Ose, so the Bua.
Yeah.
Well, it has been Africa.
You was a couple.
What's your unfinished business? Be Ghana. Don't go here, man. We're Mediama. But on my name, this will be a Hasselhoff platform now. And you know, Sassy or Ghana, how are you?
Yeah.
What Hasselhoff be? Now, the common plan intercepted by Kubi. Was this when in sacred man say Kuku? What Hasselhoff Beko promised land?
Oh, yes, was Utukwa. na obey
that's what the house of folk beko boss assassin so
sa ni bosa kapo so the man mana or else what pedma on count boy and person you the bema we wie no
it were ready for the job.
Maybe around of 32 every cap we free
sure
league no so okay
we free
to so or the house beko Africa
o boss assassin so
anything for mana me obi a person di
so no political talk there
obi a person di house for Africa the animal ni je hu or some mental toughness
okay
na say oba me dia menso me hu
who see okay okay Jonathan Jonathan
formerly of Mediama Sporting Club
sure Sowa
yeah
you see about Ghana
yeah
that's so much
simple what na yana me interest or
sure
that is where basically me interest or because say yan can simple one about beka because obi am on about 2.5 hours 3 hours show
okay
or the 2.5 hours and I say 2 hours it be 15 minutes yan on nsem no the book akra be a friends a foreign and simple your local football is so in man koye
sure
because interest no simple e free ho we na no ya blaster simple
don't buy ya
ball match as if you kwanya edwadi akra JCC
yes
yes social media na more na 3 CD na 4 CD videos ni
oh yes
and simple idea I was say but it doesn't give you the right say oh idea won we na be can say ni pebi no simple di papa so be building the simple easy to build a brand it's not easy so be build a brand
okay
but so be the one day pen obe gu oni ma say simple eno there no eno there Ghana for yes say free sad no idea ye nya obi a person ki bi ekọ animu ni ahwe be bi esintowo na simple ya hyehyɛ nti no was a kan ni pa na sem a obeti nya ka say scanner ya nya no simple me am fa metra ho bi a eme kokwasa na scanner simple ensa ye mfa de bibia say
invest again
because one am we feel say under 17 you under 20 ni na ye hwe we
okay
o say every kg buy
sure
so kg no dey buy ye hwe proper structure say even national league bia for youth team bia under 15 some national league what I say
okay
that's a bia under 17 you national league so not simple it will pull talents bia simple then be we active bia zone A and I say bia zone a table 3 zones say your body division 1
yeah
now your ball league bia under 15 under 17 not yet certain talents no top time because simple Ghana I dey pie under 17
okay
under 15 but here's the case I think simple
yeah
we can't be quiet because the basis no those has to put players where Asante Kotoko players now most of them are free the youth teams oba na yato do do ala bese but here's the case the youth teams they say ayabasa enti we have to idea or see ye ho adwuma but say be say ni pana no me I wouldn't do that and I may want to be influence me say how I feel, how we say, and Ghana football be simple. That is what I'm going to talk about.
Okay.
Indeed, an idea I say, yes, but say will be, and we are this kind of simple. No, I wouldn't buy that. Yeah. Because we are this kind of.
I said never, but you can't create any.
And you have to say it. Yeah, football need sure. Football, I say, some point it to be. Football say, no, so football say, I in it to be. It's a quite vast simple. Become football, na there be am back on the corner as we did go musuno
sure
there be the way chairman na would me I don't have any personal this thing with you but me need just second the corner house because simple me nusa no I stadium when I woman ya wo stadium asa me ya no fuzo no kwa na stadium no me same stadium one ya woman odi for side o mascarpone e chiro me when ya woman simple on the woman the stadium make that time to tear gas ko wo fi ana yeah is you na papa ma take it
okay
you say on ball stadium we are na omo ba that na take it no mienu ye de ba ko ama nti ye ko jama ko atia ho so wo fi stadium ba na papa ma take it you take it na ye so de ko jama ko atia na ye so de bo match what I say so take it me so ye de ye la nti sample na eye ho wo ko the corner house ni that teams no wo say eye religion because c'est simple say take it na make no so look at the match na so kura Kotoko take it say we say take it that women no say ba ko na kan say won saka say we need to the sense say onya Kotoko take it so na ya we suppose those clubs no enti me make wa say ma me want to say woman miskas kan na do ma me na say 1,000 cities and 2,000 cities 2,000 cities no simple all the time cramba e be so how many days simple say case the next table was here 2,000 cities e be so how many days but simple we must tell the truth I mean football in sesa
okay
because as you speak now simple second the struggle so to be any pay even 2,000 oh baba yara has to focus struggle even Legon has to be Philip in Legon simple don't you feel say it's sort of say every no so mo here moi also obia play the part but yes am better say oh Kurt akwa jiska no me go kasa say no I will never say those things
okay
because Kurt no say I think yeah simple Kurt no can be reason ya ko na Kurt ke go do final na say je cup ya and Kurt come in can resign
oh yes
then I go work out at the final they do final maybe I will step down make say me money bio I leave the thing the distance is high what I say why that process high
okay
it's simple no me anka the football they make because the football yeah as you speak the local football is not the best because last time because simple my can number of about 15 sponsors I'll be a person who to Blasters 15 sponsors Obia it's a Blaster launching Lelo Rice where is Obia UMB simple that was lovely but some of the simple you never local league you know now your first can you Blaster if it's a national team no World Cup you know your first can be empathy your youth teams the division 1 division 2 simple now you any man say Ghana for the football power Ghana for the football papa but why you here because of football no a good e man go say simple abofu here from Blasters here ko ball World Cup do say do mo krom ha the mobile scale no ko number be dio you can't see that galaxy of stars na me makwa Benjamin Asare simple so free league no man means in the league simple there is no national team player who league no and simple when they organize league no and the FA
sure
so if simple who organize league ha that's simple it means one player from the FA and from the Ghana league to represent the national team simple a big question mark any federation say who your sports pandit that's simple oh cause I say me that mean say you hate the FA but also say simple at least the league no you better be the part 4 5 6 players away a national team Blasters but you never say to here and she say it's gonna has a simple that be a review on them this year we justify be a coso and you Benamuna me try me recruitment on Babe my di I feel that's some more ya the maintain some more justify be a Asante Kotoko commentators say be on best what we resume that this month me what
18th
19th 20th
simple you hope some more justify be a and can also me hope some money am paying for as of simple me hope so almost so am justify sim be a what I say I'm just hoping because simple justify no and the queer clubs no Kotoko no biem has and I want to say has be justify
for now them
you have been na onye how am hunu no nya de obey justify crab be era so sa mu has junior teams no but say has senior team pa simple say me tipa say has be justify simple nya papa
I feel the next was on me
simple say coach cross say move say
ni Musa couple
na say so bedroom camp put him some matter so be so me adwuma na ma no na simple say coach pa be
really justify
na obey so justify simple ka enya papa simple Benamuna how to talk simple near say to say adakoja ache you got to control biemu we justify what I say I don't think say be papa and simple menye so say you sub mo onye sa you sub menye so be sa menye so say my good friend Stanley
Nadamfo Stanley Menzo inform Stanley Menzo the tormentor the commenter
because simple has no so justify some no
okay
because Kotoko has need to go for the grade 1 players even in our league top players no want to go in for do better near be justify no simple players no ebi mu ni character obu a oba justify obo board say Messi but we sign you as simple oni character esi ba o who be justify
obo to say Messi
obo board say Messi o say o fa ni we akasa anakowa padada me it is when you play prove and tested na prove to mpomu na mo
na to mpomu yeah
your friend say we to mpoku na mo
yeah Dembele
imana no mo na mo
sure
e chedo gri mu na mo your players are simple omo we league ni ma omo ye tried and tested it is a we should look of be now be justify there simple I don't think say you be support it what I say
okay but that's it manager but that's be president don't kakra bi so you know be story no I be coach say if I confirm me Kweku Danso former of the team United as the new head coach
we say
that we are just say me check me nya automatically let's say the
issue is that and the incidents in your contact van if you have referee no ebe incidents
but no incident kesia if you decide the game it decide the game if you go and check the van no we are seeing na
it decide based on the position of referee no correct referee position is very important incidents are clear to the referee no you need to go and contact the VAR
but the one
it's incidents no say referee to say incidents no
one minute akwa ko show bi and I didn't say see no ni mi o say o sha difference bi I said anymore
come difference room so I watched the game so when I'm catch say Egypt better Argentina man can draw and not party me you do that for catch us man can say you but hey to be honest with you if you want to be fair our mentality was weak no say no you all at your history because I was 79 minutes 2-0 but we go on ya what you Messi no it was 79 minutes I was remember when Sana Medina was say imagine say Egypt and Morocco national team take his lead no come can we say
Morocco the shit
I should go
so be difficult mentality here any a factor back but we feel say
it was on the panel
we feel say generally officiating equity Egypt
maybe some tactics maybe abehwe
but the general officiating two incidents in Argentina
yes say we say attackers na baby
so if game generally
we make say I hear say cause me penalty to be honest with you me proud some African what I say
yeah
me proud some African no two go na aya na tena catch say say Argentina bet you mo kafia and Egypt the bet Argentina kafia be you mo film but hey kwabana I think that the two incidents in there
okay
yeah the Labour Party mo enye now we need to change the narrative say enkofo no kwabana if you na ekro we be better sen if you na ekro kwabana we be better enfansen and Egypt e was 30 Mo Salah e was Hassan Hussein komata say in the midfield omo enamaso in fact so one of the best right back at this other tournament they produce if Mohamed Hani Obonadi Ali super player offensively defensively if you come so say it two who say Argentina two kwabro usansa e history na so kere you need to go all out what history no me high and no go giba kan no fit say that for say we say no play Ghana go keeper bi na team Messi penalty na ke kasa asiama we say ati Guinea nya sa ko team Messi penalty we say go ba play contract we say Asare chilio Messi penalty and go nya asaso trazako
we Asare so we share and go better no
goalkeeper no table one of the finest goalkeeper come on say any for goalkeeper from go ayi if you nyam fi na dey
sure
o ma fa e shana wi ama na bi sa mo wa ni dey by two goalkeepers ni na no if na dey and this is a great goalkeeper kwa mo bedroom or your that penalty saves no e ma na dey Egypt e qualify and then we save you Messi e penalty there be a lot of chances akwa be na no person mo she but still and go for team hodo so kwa me so proud for the Pharaohs of Egypt irrespective of say one more etimi efimu enwa no open countries are so proud Egypt and Cape Verde
okay
we are so proud with how one more match Argentina boot for boot but hey kwabana we need to celebrate
okay
the football king
okay
the football god the magician
okay
the creator
the greatest of all time and audience
Amufa. May I sure say nkrofo so